How to clean the brewing unit of your Siemens EQ700. Go to the cleaning programs and use the touchscreen to select Brewing Unit Cleaning. The program will guide you through the process. Then remove the water tank. Press firmly into the recessed grip to remove the cover of the brewing unit. Slide the red locker to the right to pull out the brewing unit. Clean the brewing unit thoroughly under warm running water by moving the brewing head gently up and down. Then let it dry. Remove the interior of the brewing unit. Clean it under warm running water and let it dry. Then use a damp cloth to clean the interior of the appliance thoroughly and remove any coffee residue. First, put back the interior of the brewing chamber, followed by the brewing unit with the arrow pointing forward. Slide the red locker back to the left. Close the brewing chamber by pushing the cover gently until you hear a slight click. Reinsert the water tank. Now you should treat yourself to a smooth cappuccino. You deserve it.
Siemens, the future moving in.